Hey, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you had a good Thanksgiving. Let's get straight to it. Now, you clicked on this video for one reason. My thumbnail or the title of this video. So you already know I do not like the Tesla's new Cybertruck. Do not know what Elon Musk was thinking. He must be bored. I mean, it's a corny looking truck. The funny thing is, the car community, well, some of the car community, some of the popular YouTubers actually like this garbage tin can. I mean, they're talking about buying it. Well, what are you gonna do to it? It's a piece of crap. So yeah, I mean, my reasons for not liking it, I mean, on video it looks like bulky in certain areas for no reason at all. The wheels look horrible. Doesn't look practical. I mean, that big ass windshield in the front, it has no style to it. It's plain and it's just cheesy looking. I just don't like it. That's my personal opinion, and it is what it is. So if you buy it, you buy it. That's on you. You got to drive around with some trash looking car. Makes me want to drink. Yes, good old Jack Daniels. Just so I can get this damn thing out of my mind, I'm gonna have me a shot. Like I said, looking at that horrible, disgusting Tesla truck makes me want to drink. Here's to you. I did come across two Instagram accounts where they did their own rendering of what they felt the Cybertruck should look like. The first picture you're gonna see is done by John Sybil. I believe I said that right. That particular rendering is his vision. The second picture you're gonna see is the_Kaiser. Okay, and that's his rendering of what the Cybertruck should look like. And let me tell you, both of these trucks are beautiful. I would buy both of them if I had the money. Trust me. Elon Musk, if you were to watch this video, you should hire these two guys to design for you, okay? Because obviously you don't know what you're doing anymore. You should retire. You should actually give that damn truck to NASA so they can send it over to Mars, because that's where it belongs. It looks like a Mars / rover / dump truck, okay? Bottom line. Anyway, that's it for this video. Short and sweet. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video. Push that notification button. And I will see you next time. It's your boy Castro. Peace.